Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Preeti, for joining in. Could you please switch on your camera? Hi, how are you? Hello. You're on mute. You're on mute. Hi, how are you?
Hello. Yeah, I'm fine, thanks. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm amazing. I from the from your ambience, I can make out that you're from somewhere outside. Where are you joining in from?
No. Mm, I'm in UK.
Oh, wow. And how did you come across this space?
Like my sister-in-law, share your Zoom meeting. Yeah, share your contact with me.
Wow, amazing. Amazing. Would you like to introduce yourself to the group?
Yes, myself Preeti Verma. I live in UK and in the school I work as one-to-one learning support assistant.
Wow.
Yeah,
Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Thank you for being in this space and joining. हेलो कोमल कोमल आपका
thank
कैमरा
you.
ऑन था एंड आपने ऑफ कर दिया व्हाई आई लाइक योर ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल हाउ आर यू
Hi Karishma, how are you? Long time.
यस
After 1 month, you're back.
yes Komal, since you had not joined yesterday, would you like to introduce yourself to the people in the room?
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Komal Kapoor and I put up in New Delhi and I'm a software professional and I love exploring things, new things.
Amazing. Amazing. And how was your experience, Komal, while you were reading Life's Amazing Secrets with us?
Amazing, amazing Karishma.
Oh.
After a long time, I completed a book.
There are so many people who have books in their shelves, but they just remain
Yes.
there. Now I am on a mission to bring out all the books and being read.
Yes.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Komal, for joining in. Let's see Veena, Rashmi, and Adya as well. Please switch on your cameras. I would love to know you as well. Before we dive into the book, let's know each other a little bit. Veena, Rashmi. Hello, Adya. Hello, Rashmi. Please, let's start with Rashmi. Rashmi, please introduce yourself.
Hi, Karishma. I'm the one who is like in love with what you are doing, but I'm also the one who is not at all consistent in joining your session. No, I love to, but yes, my work commitments are such. And today also,
Mm-hmm.
I'm sitting in my bed because it was a hectic day for me. We have an
Mm-hmm.
audit coming up in our NGO. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm still doing my work, and I'm in love with this book. You can hear.
Wow.
As a psychologist, I recommend this book to my clients, and I'll get to learn many strategies from this book. But the thing is,
Wow.
I could never sit and read this book completely randomly. I just turn the pages and whatever like my eyes are on, I would pick up that strategy and teach my clients.
Wow.
So yeah, it's a privilege to be here, and that's my hard luck that I'm not able to avail this thing.
Um, Whatever is for you will come your way, and you will make way to be there as well.
Yeah,
So I think this book was your calling.
yeah, maybe. Thank you so much.
One is the
Thank
multiple of
you.
Fatima. Okay.
Thank you
First,
so much for being here. All right, let's hear it from Adya. Hi, Adya. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Adya. I'm from Delhi. I'm in school right currently. I'm in class 12, and I have
Wow.
heard this from one of my neighbors, and I was really excited to join this. This is the first time I've heard about it, And
Mhm.
I love reading books. I read a lot of books whenever I'm free. So
Mhm.
I'm really excited about this.
Wow. I'm
Yeah,
amazed. I'm so glad to have such a young child in the room. And I am looking forward to have your perspectives in this session as well. Amazing. Thank you for
me
being
too.
here, Adya.
Welcome.
All right. Madhulika, Veena, could you please switch on your cameras? हाँ, कोमल, off नहीं करना है ना? Good. All right. We know Madhulika. Madhulika had shared about herself yesterday. Veena, would you like to share about yourself? वीना कल भी नहीं सुन रही थी ना हमारी बात. All right. Are you all comfortable with English as well as Hindi?
Yes, yeah, I
Right?
don't mind. Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
Great. Amazing. Chalo. So I had shared with you yesterday that we are starting off with this amazing book, You Can Heal Your Life. This is by Louise Hay. And there are 4 parts to this book. Part number 1 talks about introduction. Part 2 talks about a session with Louise. Part 3 talks about putting these ideas to work, जहां से रश्मि को सारे strategies मिलती होंगी. And part 4 is the conclusion, that is her own story. Today we are starting off with part 1, introduction. Iskandar, some points of my philosophy I have shared in the group. I would love for you to, go through it, read it. क्योंकि Louise Hay के book पढ़ रहे हो, तो it is very important that you understand where is she coming from? What is the idea that she is bringing forward? As much as I want to start off with chapter 1 right away, I want to read very quickly the suggestions to my readers that she has given in this book, because that is going to help us in, reading to its full potential. Okay. If you have a book, please bring out your books. And if you don't, that is also absolutely
I don't
okay,
have.
because I am sharing the PDF of this book as well. Okay.
All right.
Mhm. Suggestions to my readers. I have written this book to share with you, my readers, that which I know and teach. It incorporates portions of my little blue book, Heal Your Body, which has become widely accepted as an authoritative work of the mental patterns that create dis-ease in the body. I have had hundreds of letters from readers asking me to share more of my information. Many persons who have worked with me as private clients and those who have taken my workshops here and abroad have requested I take the time to write this book. I have set up this book to take you through a session, just as I would if you came to me as a private client and attended one of my workshops. If you will do the exercises progressively as they appear in the book, by the time you have finished, you will have begun to change your life. I suggest you read through the book once, then slowly read it again, only this time to do each exercise in depth. Give yourself time to work with each one. If you can, work through the exercises with a friend or with a member of your family. Each chapter opens with an affirmation. Each of these is good to use when you are working on that area of your life. Take 2 or 3 days to study and work with each chapter. Keep saying and writing the affirmation that opens the chapter. The chapters close with a treatment. This is a flow of positive ideas designed to change consciousness. Read over this treatment several times a day. I close this book by sharing with you my own story. I know it will show you that no matter where we have come from or how lowly it was, we can totally change our lives for the better. Know that when you work with these ideas, my loving support is with you. That is by Louise Hay. And I'm also looking forward to go part by part. I'm not going to rush through this book at all. I would love for us to, हमको एक ही chance मिल रहा है to read this book together. We are a family. We are going to do all the exercises that have been shared in this book together. And
Yeah.
I would love for us to dive deeper, to reflect deeper, and actually use the affirmations that are going to be shared in this book. The affirmations, if you do not have the book, I'll be sharing the affirmations. I'll take a screenshot of the affirmations and I'll share it in the group as well. At least 5 days, जब तक आप मेरे साथ हो, you will be having all the access to all of it, right? All right, how many of you are excited to dive into chapter 1?
Yes. Yes.
Amazing.
Yes.
Ready. Yes.
Wow, wonderful. Yes, some points of my philosophy, that is of Louise Hay, has been shared in the group as well. Please go through it. एक एक point बहुत अच्छा और बहुत deep meaning वाला है. If it is possible for you, sit with each point and reflect on it as well. This is the first affirmation, I believe. That is, in the infinity of life where I am, all is perfect, whole, and complete. And yet life is ever changing. There is no beginning and no end, only a constant cycling and recycling of substance and experiences. Life is never stuck or static or stale, for each moment is ever new and fresh. I am one with the very power that created me, and this power has given me the power to create my own circumstances. I rejoice in the knowledge that I have the power of my own mind to use in any way I choose. Every moment of life is a new beginning point as we move from the old. This moment is a new point of beginning for me right here and right now. All is well in the world. How many of you feel that this is powerful? Our thoughts
Yeah.
create our reality. And this is beautiful.
This is amazing. This is really positive.
Yes. And I'll share the screenshot of this with you in the
Yes. Yeah.
group as well. Chapter number 1, What I Believe. The gateways to wisdom and knowledge are always open. How many of you have the book, by the way?
I don't have.
Right.
I don't.
That's okay. Okay. What about Komal, Madhulika, Veena? No? All right. So, matlab ki most of you do not have. And I'm assuming Rashmi has it
No.
because she's using it.
I'm
All right. So, how we are going to go about it is, I'll read the first part of it, jo highlighted hai. Life is really simple wala part padenge. We will discuss this and then we will go further.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Life is really very simple. What we give out, we get back. What we think about ourselves becomes the truth of us for us. I believe that everyone, myself included, is responsible for everything in our life, the best and the worst. Every thought we think is creating our future. Each one of us create our experiences by our thoughts and our feelings. The thoughts we think and the words we speak create our experiences. We create the situations and then we give our power away by blaming the other person for our frustrations. No person, no place, and no thing has any power over us, for we are the only thinkers in our mind. When we create peace and harmony and balance in our minds, we will find it in our lives. Which of these statements sounds like you? People are out to get me. Everyone is always helpful. Each one of these beliefs will create the quite different experiences. What we believe about ourselves and about life becomes true to us, true for us. By the way, first line resonate करती है कि second line. People are out to get me or everyone is always helpful. 1 or 2? चैट में लिख दो.
2.
Amazing.
Second one, everyone is always helpful.
Great.
But it depends where are you.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So, I have seen that life is like a boomerang. Whatever we send out returns. If we give out love, we receive love. If we give out anger, we mirror that back. Think of it like planting a seed. अगर हम मैंगो का सीड डालेंगे तो what are we going to get? Lemons, apples, or mangoes?
Mango.
Mangoes, right?
Mangoes.
Similarly, our thoughts, our words, our behaviors are seeds, and life grows them into results. जो आप सोचते हो, जो भी आप बोलते हो, everything comes true because what you believe becomes the reality of your life. Whatever you use after saying I am becomes the reality of your life. And we should be very mindful about what are we giving out? What are we giving? Right?
Yes.
That is my understanding of this part of the book that we have read. I would invite you to share. Let's start with Rashmi's. रश्मि ने पढ़ी हुई है भाई. रश्मि को ही पकड़ेंगे सबसे पहले.
मेरी पढ़ी हुई नहीं है, बिट्स में पढ़ी हुई है.
Yes.
Okay, so as per my experience, as you mentioned, Karishma, very well mentioned, law of attraction is working in the universe. So that is why what we give out comes back to us. So it is very important. Sometimes we keep on building on our one thought. एक छोटी सी थॉट है, हम लोग उसको पकड़ के बैठ जाते हैं और उसके ऊपर बिल्ड करते जाते हैं. Yeah. So if, and the base is really weak, if we, that, and every thought has its own intensity. Higher the thought, higher the intensity. Now it's up to us how much importance do we want to give to that particular thought. And sometimes we tend to forget that the remote control of our happiness is in our hands.
Our hands. Absolutely.
And then we start feeling powerless. So I know
our mind is a beautiful machine that keeps on creating ideas upon ideas, stories upon stories. If you start delving, dwelling into a negative thought, you can build a mountain up. If you start dwelling on the positive thought, there is this book by Andrew Matthews who says, that no thought comes alone, just like mice in the house. एक चूहा नहीं आता है, कई चूहे एक साथ आते हैं. Likewise, जब आपका थॉट एक नेगेटिव आता है, उसकी ट्रेन आती है नेगेटिव थॉट्स की, which leads you somewhere else. And the moment you have a positive thought, so just for a very pure example, I will say कि just for a moment, just imagine, मेरा पति ने ना मुझको बड़े गंदे तरीके से बोला. आज बहुत तेज की शाउट कर दिया आपके पति ने, हस्बैंड ने, और मे बी योर टीचर पुरात्या. उसके बाद तो उस बंदे की खैर नहीं है. यू विल बिल्ड ऑन दैट पर्सन. ये तो इसने पिछली बार भी ऐसे किया था. दिस टीचर कीप्स ऑन टॉकिंग अबाउट एवरीबडी लाइक दिस. शी टॉक्स टू एवरीबडी अबाउट दिस एंड सबके साथ शाउट करती है, ये आदमी तो है ही बेकार, डा 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 डा. एंड द मोमेंट यू से I am divinely blessed to have that man who has given me so much of luxury. वाह यार, all of a sudden everything becomes rosy. वाह, इससे अच्छा प्यारा आदमी नहीं है, इससे अच्छी टीचर नहीं है, मुझसे कितने प्यार से बात करती. शी अंडरस्टैंड्स मी सो वेल, राइट? दैट इज हाउ थिंग्स शिफ्ट इन आवर माइंड with one thought. Adya, would you like to share something?
Right. From this first page, I think the author, Louise Hay, is trying to say that we should always give positive affirmations out to the world. So that's what we gain back, what we give.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you for sharing. Preeti, would you like to share, put in some inputs from there?
Yeah, I think all our thoughts are depend how we accept the things. And if we take it like positive, it will be like in our life in a positive way, then obviously all you will get all the positive thoughts. But if you start thinking negative, it, and at that point you would not be able to stop your mind, and your mind keep on building like mountains, and it's uh, going to start कि ओ इन्होंने तो लास्ट टाइम भी ऐसा किया था और अब ये तो हमेशा ही ऐसा करते हैं।
Yes, yes. राई का पहाड़, राई का पहाड़
राइट,
बनाता है
हाँ,
हमारा दिमाग।
पहाड़, हाँ जी, हाँ
Right.
जी। और अगर एक बार हम वो स्टार्ट करते हैं तो देन उस अ, बोल सकते हैं कि उस चेन को जो तोड़ना है, इट बिकम्स रियली डिफिकल्ट।
Yes. And that is why it is said the moment you catch yourself thinking a negative thought, break it right there. Change the story, because our mind is a meaning
yeah,
making machine. And the moment you have
true,
some disempowering thought, make sure that you change the
yes,
story of it. Right. The
true,
same person doing the same thing, we can perceive it in a different way.
different way, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the main thing is we need to accept the people how they are instead of like judging them.
Yes, absolutely. Everything is
Yes,
in our control. And so it is like
true.
I cannot control everything, but whatever I can control, I will control
Like
that.
I
And
can control my actions. I cannot control other people's action. This is the main
yes,
thing which I need to remember.
yes. And thoughts is the first step. Actions
True.
come very late. सबसे पहले थॉट
Yeah,
आता है जो हमारे
yeah.
को भूचाल में
Thought
लेके आता
आते
है.
हैं, हाँ, हाँ जी.
Right? All right, let's move forward. Let's move further. The universe totally supports us in every thought we choose to think and believe. Put another way, our subconscious mind accepts whatever we choose to believe. They both mean that what I believe about myself and about life becomes true to me. What you choose to think about yourself and about life becomes true for you. And we have unlimited choices about what we can think. When we know this, then it makes sense to choose everyone is always helpful rather than people are out to get me. What do you think of life? What is the one word you will give? Life is dash. Normally क्या बोलते हो आप? Life is
We say, oh, life is really bad because, oh, I'm not getting this, I'm not getting this, always complaining.
and with the
We are
result,
never
that is
happy.
exactly what you attract. That is
Yeah,
what
true.
you attract.
And then you become even more like sad and like negative.
Rashmi says life is precious, and you will find the life to be precious. Every breath that you take. It's precious. Right? What is it for you, Adya? How is life for you? Life is
Amazing.
amazing. Are you sure? Is this how you say? How is life? Life is a struggle. Itni padhai. Oh God. Oh.
Yeah, except that
Mm.
it's good.
Wow. Amazing. What stream are you into?
I have science, non-med.
फिर तो बिल्कुल ठीक बोला मैंने. Life को आप जो बोलोगे, whatever, as I said earlier, the universe does not say yes or no. It simply says, जो बोल रहे हो तथास्तु. Your wish is my command. If you keep saying, I cannot do this, the universe is going to support that. And if you say, I'm learning, I'm growing, the universe is going to support you there as well. जो बोलोगे उसमें आपको यूनिवर्स सपोर्ट करेगा. We are constantly being supported, but the direction, जो जिस डायरेक्शन में हमारे को सपोर्ट मिल रही है, depends on our thoughts. तो if you think कि I will never get a parking, for example, you usually do not get the parking. And if you believe a spot will open for me, all of a sudden somebody will take out their car and you will get it. So, my thoughts are powerful orders. I must place them wisely, right? अगर आपकी लाइफ में if you are thinking some negative thoughts, I would love for you to start shifting the language around them. Maybe अगर मैं struggle कर रही हूँ, that cannot be a, you can use a milder word for that. Maybe you can shift the words to bring a better energy into your life. आगे चलते हैं. Anybody wants to share anything? Please raise your hand if you have anything to share in this part. No? Forward?
Karishma, I would like to reflect on the example that you gave of the simple and beautiful example of the parking area. Yeah. Sometimes what happens, we block the energy. Parking तो मिलेगा ही नहीं. How I'm going to park? Parking मिलेगा ही नहीं. तो वो block कर देते हैं हम energy को. बहुत crowded है. Okay, let's see. कहीं ना कहीं तो parking मिल जाएगा. तो when you bring this thought into your mind, आपका action की तरफ आपका mind जा रहा है. And you start
Yes.
thinking in a different direction. So it is very important कि आप energy को block कर रहे हैं या उसको आगे लेके जा रहे हैं. That is very important.
Wonderful. Thank you for sharing that, Rashmi. Next comes the universal power never judges or criticizes us. It only accepts us at our own value. Then it reflects our beliefs in our lives. If I want to believe that life is lonely and that nobody loves me, then that is what I will find in my world. However, if I am willing to release that belief and to affirm, to for myself that love is everywhere and I am loving and lovable, and to hold on to that new affirmation and to repeat it often, then it will become true for me. Now, loving people will come into my life. The people already in my life will become more loving to me, and I will find myself easily expressing love to others. Before I say something else, anybody wants to share anything?
Yeah, it depends. Like, if you say, like, if at work, okay, oh, everybody's so helpful and supportive, then like it will become your future.
Does that mean that everybody is going to be loving and supporting at all times?
No, no, but we need to just, because we cannot change them, just we need to accept and take it a positive way, or take as a learning. Maybe learn something from those people as well.
Yes. Yes. मुझे जब when I read this, the first thought that came to me was, वाह कितना liberating है ना. लोग तो judge करते हैं, but universe never judges you. It never criticizes you.
True.
It is with you. It is not going to tell you you are wrong. It simply gives you more of what you focus on. आपकी choice है किसके ऊपर focus कर रहे हो आप. You can stop living in fear of judgment, because the truth is, life is actually neutral. It is your lens, your interpretation that paints it as good or bad. Life is always there to be teaching us something or the other. एक बच्चा जो चलना सीख रहा है वो गिरता है, ठीक है, ग्रेविटी उसको जज नहीं करती. It just exists.
True.
पर्सपेक्टिव अपना मैं. Anybody else? Adya, let's hear it from. What do you have to say on this?
I think that we will see and meet all types of people in the world, and it's our perspective, like how what we interpret from them, and like the universe will never judge us because it always overlooks and sees how we think, what we think. So we should always keep an open mind and always look for the positive in different things.
To be honest,
I think.
universe ये नहीं overlook नहीं करता है. Universe only says तथास्तु. I am lazy. तथास्तु बेटा. Oh, I am magical. Tathastu. I am super active. Tathastu. Whatever you say, universe
It
is in your
accepts
favor.
us.
It
Yeah.
accepts us. It accepts us
Yeah.
and it gives us of more of that only. अगर आप focus कर रहे हो कि I am procrastinating on my studies, I am procrastinating on
Mm.
XYZ work, आप उसको procrastinate ही करते रहोगे. Focus जहाँ पे होगा, wherever focus goes, energy flows. Whatever you focus on, it expands. Blessings के ऊपर जब आप focus रखते हो ना, life becomes blissful. एंड यही अगर क्रिटिसिज्म, क्रिपिंग, क्राइम के ऊपर हमारा फोकस चला जाता है तो
Mm.
मिजरेबल लाइफ हो जाती है, राइट?
Right.
वैसे आद्या, आई ऑल्सो वांट टू आस्क यू कि इज दिस योर
जी.
जनरल थॉट और इट इज व्हाट यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग फ्रॉम रीडिंग?
This is what I am understanding from the reading, from the text.
All right, thank you for sharing that. Madhulika, do you have anything to share?
Yeah, I would like to share over here that yes, basically what happens is if we think that yes, people around me are supportive, they are loving, my reaction to them, whatever they are doing, that's a different thing. But then my reaction to them will be very much positive. I'll be open to them. My body language, my subconscious mind will work that way. You know, that also, my energy will also attract the same energy. That way also it works, you know. And in case of people, this way it works. I truly believe that if you look for negatives, you will definitely going to look for negatives. You will get negatives. If you look for positives, you're definitely going to get positives for sure. Otherwise, like you gave the example of parking, of course, your energy will work that way. It's not that something magical is going to happen and some car will fly over and or it will evaporate in the air. No, nothing like that is going to happen over there. It's just your energy will look for the parking space more consciously. Otherwise, you will just start cribbing, hoga hi nahi, milegi nahi, milegi nahi, milegi nahi, and ultimately you will not have the eye to find that. Basically, that is what
Mindset.
yeah, that
Mindset
is
है ना?
what yes, of course, it is all mindset.
Whether you are looking out for a problem or a
See,
solution is up to you.
yeah, see, if you go to if you're going to appear for an examination and you are already, oh my God, it's going to be very tough, it's going to be very tough, it's going to be very, you are blocking your own thought process, your own energy. And of course, you're going to find that stupid exam the hardest on this earth. And if you go with that attitude, okay, fine, it's just an exam and I am well prepared. I have to just go and give my best. Definitely you're going to give your best. आता तभी भी उतना ही होगा, बाद में भी उतना ही होगा. मतलब both the scenarios, your knowledge is not going to get affected. But of course, your performance is definitely going to get affected.
Thank you for sharing that, Madhuri. Rashmi, do you want to share something?
I think
Mute
Ms.
पे.
Madhulika has covered everything that I wanted to.
Wonderful. Komal, why do you have your camera off? Are you busy somewhere else? This is something very important for each one of us. Let's hear it from you. 3 points per लिए. What do you have in your heart and soul?
I think the universe doesn't judge what you're thinking, and it will simply manifest what you're thinking to reality. So you should be very careful about your thoughts.
Yes.
Very
Thank you for
mindful
sharing.
about your thoughts.
Absolutely. अब कल जो भी बैंक जाने वाला है और उसकी लंबी लाइन में खड़े होने वाला है, या बिल पे करने जाने वाला है और लंबी लाइन में खड़े होने वाला है, know that you have manifested it because there are other ways to pay bills and everything as well. ठीक है. All right, let's move forward. Most of us have foolish ideas about who we are and many rigid rules about how life ought to be lived. This is not to condemn us, for each of us is doing the very best we can at this very moment. If we knew better, if we had more understanding and awareness, then we would do it differently. Please don't put yourself down for being where you are. The very fact that you have found this book and have discovered me means that you're ready to make a new positive change in your life. Acknowledge yourself for this. Men don't cry. Women can't handle money. What limiting ideas to live with. हमारे लाइफ में हमने बहुत रूल्स बनाए हुए हैं. डू यू हैव सच रूल्स? आपकी लाइफ में क्या रूल्स प्ले कर रहे हैं? वी आर ऑलवेज किसी ना किसी रूल के थ्रू हम जा रहे होते हैं. The other day we were talking, me and Madhulika were talking, and Madhulika was sharing कि कहीं पे भी जाते हैं तो बोलते हैं बड़ों की रिस्पेक्ट करो. That is a rule. बड़ों की रिस्पेक्ट करो. Yes, of course we should respect the elders. But Madhulika has a very beautiful point that सिर्फ बड़ों की क्यों रिस्पेक्ट करनी है, सबकी रिस्पेक्ट क्यों नहीं करनी है? Right? That can also be a rule, right? But we forget that. We suffer because of rigid rules we set for ourselves. हम लोगों के पास एक टाइमलाइन सेट होती है. आई शुड बी सक्सेसफुल बाय 30, इतने पे बच्चा, इतने पे ग्रेजुएशन, इतने पे ये, इतने पे ये. एंड आई मस्ट लुक ऑलवेज लुक परफेक्ट. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ये बुक रीडिंग क्लब मैंने इसलिए स्टार्ट किया था बिकॉज आई नेवर वांटेड टू लुक परफेक्ट. आई स्टार्टेड इट एज अ नाइट सूट में करने वाला सेशन कि बुक पढ़नी है. क्योंकि everywhere you go, when you host a session as a coach, you are supposed to look perfect, picture perfect, है ना? But I wanted a place जहाँ पे night suit party हो, bedtime stories हो, and I really love because this place क्योंकि I have not set any rules for there. We work as a family, we share as a family, and we talk like a family. These जो shoulds होते हैं ना, shoulds are invisible prisons. Life never demands these rules. हमको चाहिए थे. We did. Is it so? Today in the morning only, my mom was going to the doctor. उनका जो most comfortable shoe है, वो torn था. वो वहां से निकाला शू रैक से, वो टूटा हुआ था. पेस्टिंग उसकी खराब हो गई. And my mom is like, चप्पल में मैं नहीं जाऊंगी. And I'm like, who is going to watch you? Is somebody going to come to you and tell you, चप्पल क्यों पहनी है तुमने? नहीं ना, तो चले जाओ, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? And then my dad is also saying, नहीं, we'll go to the cobbler, we get this stitched, and then we'll go to the doctor. I'm like, hi Ram. Your rules. What is it? It is rules. नहीं, I want to look perfect at all times. And when we punish ourselves for not fitting into them is when the life demands these rules. मतलब हम लोग अपनी लाइफ को खुद ही मैस बनाते जाते हैं. Right? Yes, Madhulika, please feel free to speak.
Then I came across with a very beautiful and new word. Like we detox, so it is de-influencing.
Yes.
De-influencing. Like I really want to de-influence people that, okay, from that thought that badon ki izzat karo. I really want to de-influence people from that thought. I really want to de-influence people that find if you are 40 plus, you are gone, you are no more. Like you are out of the game. Right? So that is a new word that I came across. And yes, that is what I think we are talking about.
Yes.
that are
Yes.
limiting belief. Actually, those beliefs are all those are the only beliefs that are limiting us.
I have a question that why does a mother feel guilty जब सारे खानदान में किसी ने नहीं खाना खाया, वो खाना खाने बैठ जाए, why does she feel guilty? क्यों भाई?
Because people make her feel guilty that, oh, you do this.
हाँ.
अपनी टोन से और बिहेवियर से वो दूसरे लोग जज करने लग जाते हैं ना.
Yeah, and we allow them to judge ourselves.
Judge. True.
You know,
To
Karishma.
take a
Carry on.
नहीं बोलो.
See, I told you once that I know a couple of people who were into that process of, getting the sex determination of the fetus and then go through that process just to have a male child. When I literally had a word with those females, like, are you under pressure? Who is forcing you? What's the thought behind? Are you happy doing this again and again? It was shocking to me that at one point of time, no one in the family was pressurizing them. उनकी अपनी लड़ाई थी लड़ी जा रही है. As if they have made that thing as an achievement, as they are worth living only if they do that. If that was their only aim. So at times, ज़्यादातर, it is only us. Either we let the other people to judge us, or maybe हम ही उस दौड़ में इतना आगे निकल रहे होते हैं कि हमें कोई नहीं भी कहेगा तो भाई मैं कैसे पहले खाना खा सकती हूँ. I mean, no one is stopping you. No one will even say you anything. But still, it's in our own heart and brain. This is, I think, how we are conditioned and
Imprint हो चुका है.
Seeding. It's been seeded.
बचपन से. How the mothers would say, बेटा जब गेस्ट आएंगे ना, खाने देना, उसके बाद आप खाना. क्यों भाई? बच्चा जब सबसे पहले लेके बैठ जाता है प्लेट, तो मदर इज लाइक, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग?
पता है क्यों करिश्मा? पहले समोसे गिनती के आते थे. अभी सीन चेंज हो गया है. पहले गिनती के आते थे, अभी समोसे आके धक्के खाते हैं. There is a lot of shift in buying power. इससे भी ये बहुत, मतलब इस पर्टिकुलर उस चीज के लिए तो पहले चीजों की वाकई में स्कैरसिटी थी. तो आई मीन
नहीं यार, स्कैरसिटी मेरे घर में स्कैरसिटी नहीं थी. येट माय मॉम वुड आस्क मी, सबको सर्व करना है, when they are done then we will have food.
Yes, you are right. And these learnings are only for the girl child.
नहीं खैर, हमारे तो हम तीन ब्रदर सिस्टर्स हैं, हम तीनों के लिए था. बट या व्हाई, मैं तो अपने बच्चों को सबसे पहले बिठाती हूँ, बच्चों तुम स्टार्ट करोगे, इन सबको भी देख के खाने को होगा. चलो खाना स्टार्ट. Somebody should start. The point is, our rigid rules may be the very chains that keep us stuck in life. Liberate yourself. Right. आगे पढ़ना है कि अब ब्रेक लेना है, ये बताओ. म्यूट पे बोल रहे हो प्रीति?
I don't mind.
What about others?
Are we done with the chapter? I mean, is this
No. This is a long chapter. ऐसे एक पॉइंट पे डिस्कस करने आएंगे. It is a long chapter, long way to go right now. It's not done.
You decide how long is the next portion.
All are these small only. कोई भी बड़ा नहीं है. It is our discussion that is going to get long. चलो एक और पढ़ते हैं. Let's go. Let's read one more. When we are very little, We learn how to feel about ourselves and about life by the reaction of adults around us. It is the way we learn what to think about ourselves and about our world. Now, if you live with people who were very unhappy, frightened, guilty, or angry, then you learned a lot of negative things about yourself and about your world. I never do anything right. It's my fault. If I get angry, I am a bad person. Beliefs like this create a frustrating life. How many of you have heard such things? घरों में बोली जाती हैं.
होता ही है। अगर कोई भी बच्चा मिस्टेक, कोई भी गलती करता है तो सबसे पहले ओह, ध्यान से करो, है ना। सबसे पहले हम ये बोलते हैं कि ध्यान से करो का, कि गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए।
Yes. As a
और अगर
child.
गलती हो जाती है तो कहते हैं हाँ, एज ए चाइल्ड, और फिर कहते हैं ओ, मतलब कि ओ, जैसे तुम्हें तो हमेशा फर्स्ट ही आना चाहिए, है ना। तो हम उसको ये एक वो दे देते हैं अपना, जो हम चाहते हैं बच्चे को, कि भाई ओ, आप तो कुछ और आ ही नहीं सकते हो, आपको तो फर्स्ट ही आना है।
Hmm. Ade has something to share here.
हाँ, मतलब काफी चीजें होती हैं, लाइक ऐसे पढ़ना है, ऐसे करना है, नीड टू गेट अ गुड कॉलेज, कॉलेज के बाद 12th में अच्छे नंबर आने चाहिए, फिर उसके बाद अच्छी जॉब मिलनी चाहिए, लाइक देयर आर वेरी रूल्स, लिमिटेशंस एंड बहुत चीजें से देखी हैं, फेस करनी होती हैं.
Hmm. As a child, we absorb like a sponge.
या
अगर अगर adults जो है, if they celebrated us, we felt worthy. And if they criticized or ignored us, we felt inadequate. These impressions form our foundation. Many of the voices we hear in our head today are not even ours. They are the echoes of the adults जो हमारे को बचपन में, while we were growing up, they were saying this. इसीलिए कहते हैं कि बच्चों के साथ सबसे प्यार से हैंडल करो, बच्चों को बहुत अच्छे से हैंडल करो. Yes, mother, please feel free to share.
So, who said that your name is Karishma? You just believed that your name is Karishma. Right?
And why is that?
And who made you? Yeah, and who made you believe that?
My parents.
Your parents. Your parents. My name could have been anything. I could be Adya, I could be Karishma, but my parents made me believe, no, my name is Madhu, my name is Madhulika. If my parents will have a dedicated, like day for Tuesday worship, I will definitely get into that. If my parents, my family will have this thing, Navratras or anything which they have hardcore belief, or maybe I'm a Hindu. Why I'm a Hindu? It is being made me believe that yes, you are born in a Hindu family. That is why you are a Hindu. So that is how, yes, we absorb everything. That see, there are always certain rules in a family. रात को इतने बजे के बाद बाहर नहीं जाना. If it is it is what is being made us, we absorb from our parents.
Yes.
And we often think, okay, मैं बड़े होके ना ये मम्मी जैसी हरकत नहीं करूंगी. And so very soon you find yourself in the same place, the same tone, the same body language and everything same. And then you're, oh my God, how can I do this?
And then you say, हाँ मम्मी ठीक बोलती थी, जब तुम्हारे बच्चे होंगे ना तब समझ में आएगा. अभी समझ में आ रहा है. Yes, Rashmi, I agree with you. Parents are the first role models. We unknowingly start absorbing their behavior, internalizing their comments. Yes, absolutely. The bottom line is कि हमारी जो self image होती है.
Yeah, see, in one family, if abusive language is a normal thing, right? So the kid who is looking, who is hearing that abusive language from the very first day, it's normal for that child. And if someone else comes in the family and abusive words are something like shock, a big
Hmm.
shock, क्योंकि उनके घर में तो कोई ऐसे बोलता ही नहीं है. मे बी
Yes.
इट कैन बी अदर वे अराउंड ऑल्सो, कि उनके घर
Yes.
में बहुत अब्यूसिव थे और वो गए तो उसको बहुत ऐसा काम कंपोज्ड और प्यार वाला माहौल मिला कि ओ माय गॉड, दिस इज ऑल्सो, ये भी इस प्लानट पे ही
Hmm.
रहते हैं.
Hmm.
You know,
True.
this is
Very
how
true.
we are all absorbed from uh, our surroundings. That तभी बोला जाता है कि पेरेंट्स तो आप चुन नहीं सकते, but then choose your friends wisely.
Yes.
That is also because you absorb from the environment.
Absolutely. जो भी है, our self image कह लो, हमारी personality कह लो, it is all shaped in childhood, but it does not have to stay that way. We have the power to change it. और नॉर्मली हीलिंग में या कोचिंग में बहुत ब्यूटीफुल एक्सरसाइज की भी जाती है, दैट इज ऑफ टॉकिंग टू योर इनर चाइल्ड, टॉकिंग टू योर लिटिल वर्जन ऑफ यू एंड गेटिंग आउट ऑफ इट. रश्मि, वुड यू लाइक टू से समथिंग? बड़ी देर से चुपचाप बैठे हो, टाइप करने से नहीं चलता यहाँ पे.
Yes, as I mentioned in the chat box also, that is true. But when we grow up, we suffer a lot because of the beliefs or the comments that we have internalized. In fact, the clients that come to me, 60 to 65% of the clients have anxiety because their mother or their father had anxiety. Yeah, they have anxiety or low self-esteem because they were not treated properly by their parents, or they observed domestic abuse, like abuse at their home, or there was something wrong between the parents. And that is why that experience builds their whole perception of the relationship.
Yes, absolutely.
It is very important for the parents to like model proper behavior in front of their kids, at least in front of them. अगर आपने कुछ, there might be some conflicts हर relationship में होते हैं, but it should not be open in front of like the kids. That is very important.
Absolutely. So true. Everything is being internalized by kids. And what turns into trauma, we don't know. What turns into something absolutely negative, we don't know. और क्या सब बहुत पॉजिटिव होने वाला है वो भी नहीं पता. हर किसी का अपना ब्रेन है, अपने हिसाब से वो स्टोरीज अपने आप को भी समझा रहे हैं, बट व्हाट दे आर सीइंग इज गेटिंग इंटरनलाइज्ड फॉर श्योर.
Yeah. So what we do in our sessions when such clients come to us, we always tell them, okay, this was not your fault. You cannot choose your parents, but since you have developed your own individuality now, it's a time, just like a gardener, no, वो एक पेड़ को कटाई छटाई करके वो ब्यूटीफुल बना देता है, एक्स्ट्रा जो चीजें
Yes.
निकली होती है उसको सब ट्रिमिंग कर देते हैं, तो नाउ यू कैन डू दैट योर लाइफ. बट इस टाइम में क्या होता है, कई बार इन बच्चों को बहुत ज्यादा गिल्ट होता है कि हाउ दे कैन सेट द बाउंड्रीज विद देयर पेरेंट्स, and that takes a lot of efforts from our side, from the therapist side. We are not teaching you to build distance from your parents. It's about having your own identity, and so that you cannot pass on this trauma, this baggage to your next generation.
Yes.
And that is how intergenerational trauma takes place.
Actually, I have read somewhere that now तो this trauma is getting into the DNA, and हम लोग पता नहीं कितने पुराने से में भी कुछ कुछ हुआ था की वजह से we are having whatever it is, I don't know, whatever traumas or anything we have in our lives.
Yeah, very true, very right. बिकॉज हम लोग को कई बार बचपन में डांट भी पड़ जाती थी, तो हम लोग की मेंटल हेल्थ कभी हर्ट नहीं होती थी. अभी तो बच्चों की मेंटल हेल्थ डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है.
Yes.
And I met a parenting coach. She's a renowned parenting coach, Miss Dwiti, and I would She once said कि previously she's a like old lady, she's an old lady. उन्होंने बोला कि पहले टाइम में जब मैं पेरेंट्स के सेशंस लिया करती थी तो मैं उनको बोलती थी कि थोड़ा सा लीनियंट हो, बच्चों को थोड़ी सी फ्रीडम दो, और अब मुझे कहना था नहीं प्लीज थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल रखो,
स्ट्रिक्ट करो, थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट करो।
इतना भी उनके लिए मतलब परमिसिव नहीं हो जाओ कि हर चीज के लिए आपने परमिशन दे दिया, जो बच्चों ने मांगा दे दिया। बिल्कुल शिफ्ट हो गया है पेरेंटिंग, हैज लाइक there's a total shift in the parenting now.
Absolutely. And debates can go on and on for the kind of parenting style that should be adopted, to be honest.
Correct.
Sure. That were the first 5 points. There are 14 points to this. ठीक है? We have covered the 5 points. We'll go a little faster tomorrow, but we'll stop here tonight. I hope you enjoyed the session. I hope it brought in some light. And if you have some takeaway from today's session, I would love for you to write it in the group. Why write it in the group? जब आप group में लिखोगे, first of all, you will internalize, you will think, reflect, and then write. कि क्या था, क्या सुना था, क्या पढ़ा था, क्या बोल रहे थे, right? And second of all, other people in the group will also get awakened कि अरे बाप रे ये कहाँ चल रहा है रे, हम भी जाके सुनते हैं. All right. So have a good night. Take good care of yourself. See you tomorrow at 10 p.m. God bless you and lots of love. Mwah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Good night.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
Bye bye
Thank
everyone.
you. Good
It was
night.
nice interacting with
Good
all of you.
night.
Bye bye.